free Starknet airdrop confirmed. We're doing free project today, so I'm gonna go straight to the chase. By the way, my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. Patreon below, support this channel. We're gonna do a brick on Starknet network. We're gonna do Mint Square. We're gonna do Oasis, play Oasis. We're gonna use this guide. Let's go and let's effing go. Yeah. Getting started again. If you already follow me, we've done it like 3 months ago. They reset the network. We're doing this live again. Free airdrops into one once Starknet goes live. This is an NFT on Starknet, free NFT projects. Starknet is gonna be huge, not a financial advice. Let's effing go. Getting started. I assume you follow my channel. You already know that you need an Argent X wallet on Starknet, on Gorley, Testnet, on Ethereum. After creating that, you got yourself, watch the videos from yesterday, but this is like your home page on day one on Argent Wallet. Mint 1000 test, click on Mint, you will get 1000 playground coins. Step one, we're gonna go to Oasis. Let's make sure that this is big enough for you guys to see. It is, it's fine. Go to Oasis Testnet and we're gonna do connect your wallet, of course. Buy a random NFT, okay, with the playground, with the Mint. We're gonna buy an NFT. Hopefully it will work. And then we're gonna create an NFT on Starknet. How crazy good it is. And then we're gonna list our NFT on Starknet to sell it on the Oasis network, just like here, DeFi calendar. So let's start with this. So this is Oasis online, connect your wallet. Okay, let's buy an NFT, see how it works. Feature collection, each collection is an ERC deployed, or so we can click one from Oasis. I think I'm gonna pick Oasis or just random. This is nice stuff. See, people are making that's nice pictures. Okay, then it's live. Let's go click Oasis. Okay, Oasis collection, nice. So we got floor price 1, I don't know, 1 what, 1 Starknet, number of owners 50,000. Okay, so there's already 50,000 people in this thingy. I'm gonna get let's say, I don't know, on page 1 that's nice, interesting stuff. Maybe this flower. Okay, guys. Too many choices. Oh, Ronaldo and Messi. This is nice. Click. How do I buy this? Right now, collection Oasis. Make an offer. No offer yet. No listing yet. Okay, so can I buy it? It just minted. How do I buy it? Okay, so there's no offer. I'm doing this live, guys. I don't know what's going on. Let's just go to the first one. This is interesting. Can I buy this one? Make an offer, or no offers yet. Minted. Okay, so I don't think there's for sale, but let's create. Okay, because last time, 3 months ago, there was a lot for sale, but nothing worked. Important, Oasis is on Alpha Testnet. NFT contract standard is under development, except that all NFT minted on Oasis will be removed during network contract upgrade. Okay, and then we need to do this again. Hopefully we won't have to upload. Let's put a picture, airdrop confirm. Sure, why not? And basically let's call it, I don't know, Finance After 40, and description, hi. Create. Connect to wallet, okay. Upload it to IPFS, so that's next. Interesting, and that's minting. Okay. And I'm paying fee 0.000025. Beautiful. It is what it is. Okay, and now we wait for the mint to happen on Starknet. So let's pause, and that's a good time to remind you guys that if you gain value, please support on Patreon so I can buy the dip and buy more. I don't know. I have some coins that I'm not gonna share because I don't wanna pump and dump the price. Okay, but just Patreon below. Join Discord, AI prediction. We just got a few days ago a couple of green buys or a couple of coins. We'll see how that goes. It's the machine, it's not me. Okay, good talk. Okay, this is nice. It says all steps complete. I would say a minute and a half. That's nice. So let's go now to my, I assume it's right here. Let's click sell right here. That's nice. So I got this one. Finance after 40. See details. Collection, Oasis collection list for sale. Let's put it for sale. Okay. Price of, 40. For finance after 40. Click sell. And I need to approve. 40 what? 40 ETH or 40 Starknet? That's the question. Look at the fee. Beautiful. 0.000000. Nice, nice, nice. It's much better. If you saw the original video, we waited like, I don't know, like 8 hours per transaction. I just gave up. It was too much. Okay. So we're doing this again. Again, let's pause. Okay, again, took about a minute and a half. I'm starting to like what I see. It says confirm. I don't know what's going on, so I'm going to go back to the home page. And can I see my account? Let's see my profile. Do I have anything? That's nice. Just like OpenSea, owned. This one, finance after 40 at 40 TST, test coins. And I can do buy now. Let's click on it. That's nice. Maybe one of you will buy it. 40 TST, no offers, listed. That's cool. That's like OpenSea without the Ethereum crazy fees. If I click on buy, let's see that it's here. There we go. Look at you. 40 TST. So that's not, I assume all the rest are from old, I don't know, but it's right here. It's for sale. We can move on to the next one. And let's effing go. Next one is got Mint Square. Okay. Mint Square, go to the wallet and discover Mint buy and sell NFT on layer 2 ZK rollup. That's nice. Mint an NFT and list your NFT. Only field required is an image and the name. So we're gonna basically mint an NFT. Check your NFT in the profile and then we go to the next. So let's do this. This is the website, okay, Mint Square. Let's click on Mint NFT, upload the same image and let's mint it. Okay, that's nice. Name, finance after 40. Description, hello. Okay, external URL, I don't know what it is. Keys, value, sunglasses, eyes. Interesting, I don't know. Let's say eyes. And the value, suggest on eyes, let's put sunglasses. Sure, that's what you recommend. That's when I click mint. Let's see how it works. I don't know. Doing this live with you guys. That's very cool. Argent wallet is opening up yet again. Beautiful fees. Starting to be something. Transaction submit. A transaction status patch will take a while to show up. Refresh the link again after a few minutes. After the transaction is complete, refresh the page. Okay, let's pause. Okay, so this one work. Just to see it, you're gonna go to your profile picture, click here, and then you see hello world. Let's click. There's some trucks outside. That's what it is. We are here for the money. Hello world, owned by you. Sell. Can I sell it? Hi, history minted. What happens if I sell it? That's nice. Oh, this is a new one. Approve this NFT for sale. You only have to approve once. Step 2, once the transaction accepted. Step 1, complete a set price. Okay, let's list. This is a new one. So let's approve. I didn't know this is a thing, so they update the website. That's cool. So we're paying this much in fees. Beautiful. Now it's like 5 zeros instead of 4 zeros. I'll catch you up in a minute. Okay, so this was nice and I just posted this for sale for 40 ETH. I don't know if it's a Testnet ETH or something, but feel free to buy this picture for finance up to 40 for 40 ETH. Hopefully I'll get it in mainnet ETH, but who knows. Okay, so that's basically what we got. We got profile. That's nice. Let's see all collection if it's something here for sale. Mint Square Store version 2. Where is it for sale? That's my question. If we click here, there we go. Recently added. That's nice. Price is, so there's pictures here. I don't want to scroll because it's all random, so I don't know what pictures people put, but mine is the first. Feel free to get it, Chelsea. Good stuff, good stuff. Let's move on to the next project. Third NFT application on Starknet is called Brick. Let's see what we need to do with Brick. Brick, connect your wallet. First of all, claim your Brick at the bottom. I've already done. I'm gonna show you. So once you're on the home page, it will gives you a button here. I want to Brick for free and claim 100. I think it's 1,000 now. And then we just start to build something. So let's do this together and let's move on. Basically, okay, so this is the home page. Connect your wallet. Then it says welcome to Brick. We're currently in alpha test on Starknet. Claim 1,000 free Brick, which I've done to start your building journey. I've done that. Start building. Okay, once this is done, Brick is in alpha. Read the announcement. Okay, let's history log. Why is all the stuff in here? I don't know, but you see available Brick 1,000 on seat 0 transaction. The first one that got declined, the second one was accepted. I don't know why. Let's create something. Oh, this is nice. That's pretty cool. How do I? Okay. That's very nice, and you can be very creative. I don't know. Let's do this, and let's build a little. Okay. How do I even do that? Okay, interesting. So let's do. Whoa, this is like Minecraft stuff. Okay, let's say. Whoa, this is cool. And maybe put it for sale for 40 ETH or something. Okay, just put some blocks. Let's this color, sure. Yeah, let's you can build up like Minecraft. This is interesting stuff. Okay, cool, cool. I haven't seen this on crypto just yet. Could it take off? I don't know. It's a unique concept. Yeah, your new color. There are colors in here. Let's do a little red. Sure, pick. Interesting. Let's do some red. And let's say, can I spell 40? I don't know what's going on. It's not that simple. At least not now. Okay, so now this is done. What do I do? Mint on chain. This is what right? What we need to do. Basically create something, build something with your brick. Once you have finished, mint it on chain. So let's yeah, this is nice. I can copy, share the link. I don't know what the color. I'm not basically an artist. Mint on chain. This is nice. Set name. Can I change this? There we go. Set name. Finance after 40. Okay, cool. Set a description. Hi. Hi. That's my description. Okay, and I assume I need to click here. Details. Preview. Okay. Details. Preview. Nice. Confirmation. And mint on chain. Click mint. Okay, so we need to click mint confirmation. It's gonna ask me to sign. You don't even have to pay, you just sign the transaction. Now we need to pay. Okay, send transaction on chain. Wait for the network fees. It's getting better. I like what I see. It says assemble. Okay, look at this. 0.000016. Sign the transaction loading. Cool. Status pending. So let's pause. Oh, wow. You have successfully signed the transaction. It is now pending on Starknet. NFT on Starknet. How cool is this? You can now close this model. Okay, let's close here. And I'm gonna see it here. And it says pending on set 1. This is nice. This is the testnet pending. Pretty cool. I like what I see. Let's click on manage set. Let's go live until it goes confirm, hopefully. So this is my set, but it's not on chain. This is nice. Import from file. That's cool. Maybe this will be the next NFT something. I don't know. You can do whatever that you want with this. And we're just gonna wait for pending. this is a good time for you guys to tell me a joke. It's been a while since we told jokes to each other in the comments while we patiently wait for the transaction to complete. This has been free Starknet airdrop NFT Starknet that is building on this. Be early, click on a few buttons, test the projects. Some will airdrop, some will not, some will die, some will go to the moon. Let's spread our bets so we can all make it. And of course, if this was valuable, Patreon below. But I would like to also listen to a joke. Can I tell you a joke? Let's go back because I gained a lot of followers in the last 3 months. So let's tell you a joke from about 3 months ago. Why did the chicken cross the road? Can anyone tell me why did the chicken cross the road? Well, it's pretty simple. The chicken wanted to get to the other side. Dum dum dum. Feel free to unsubscribe at this point in time, because yeah, I kinda butchered that joke. I need new joke, guys. I need new jokes. Let's keep the humor. You see, it's spending for like 2 minutes, so yeah, it's gonna take some time. And you know, the longer you watch my video, the longer YouTube pays me in ads, so I can buy more coins. So what do you think about Luna? Over 90 something bucks as of this recording, 93 bucks. Let me give you a little freebie. On the Patreon / Discord, we posted an AI prediction. They got a buy. The AI machine got a buy order prediction for Luna at 90. This was what day was it? On Monday. I don't know, you probably see this video a couple of days after Monday, and we'll see if the AI is good. We got into Luna at 90. We got into Medic at like 1.4 or something like that. It's 144 when I see this. Algorand also got a buy at 0.73, something like that. I don't know what the price now, I haven't checked. But basically, once I get an AI prediction buy order, I'm not just pumping, hey, go buy this SafeMoon. Like, go watch CoffeeZilla, how he exposed SafeMoon. It's crazy, crazy stuff. Billions of dollars got lost. This is crazy. Okay, let me refresh. Accepted. That's nice. You see, so now it's accepted. So you need to refresh. It's not just gonna say, hey, complete success, good job, good job. You just gotta refresh. It says accepted. That's basically it. Let's click set. And so as I said, I'm not pump and dump. I'm posting like from the top 20 coins once the AI give any prediction, all while joining Patreon for 10 bucks a month before the price goes up June 1st for 18. Unless you are an OG. If this was valuable, all the links will be in the description below. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.